What it do, YouTube? It's your boy KoolieBKoolin in the building. Y'all already know, man. Your boy bringing y'all another epic video. Y'all see the drippage going on today, man. This ain't even me type demonstration trying to act all flashy or nothing like that. But, man, it's sunny today, and your boy was needed to get this intro done. After I had that demonology trailer, I've been just looking at it like, damn, I need an intro, I need an intro, I need an intro, I need a banging intro, so the channel be mega lit before y'all even see the content, you know what I'm saying? Shout out anybody that got that cool footage like that on there. I'll be watching y'all, you know what I'm saying, and all that, so you know what time it is, man. But, man, I'm right here with my boy Stu Woo. Y'all know what time it is, yes, sir.
Coolie juice, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, only right, you feel me?
Only right.
But man, we out here today, we doing little clips and stuff like that, trying to get all the intro stuff due. So when that intro drop, man, y'all gonna see it's gonna be a banger, man. And matter of fact, broski, shout out where they can find you on needing any of that.
Man, you can find me on Instagram at BPicture Productions, or you can follow my personal page at pictured_Jeff. I'm cool with the camera, man. You're gonna see the intro, you're gonna love it.
Yes, sir. No cap.
Gonna be better on that. Yeah,
hey, on that, tell them on that level of that Coolie
be on that level.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, it's about to be lit, man. But man, I'm about to head over to my cousin right now and catch this footage of him, man. Oh man, hold on, GPS killing us again. Y'all know Siri always want to get on the video, but man, he just mounted up and he said, "Cuz, pull that camera out, it's my time to shine." So he ain't have to say nothing else. The camera there, and let's go, we there. Man, so y'all already know what to do with the video, man. Like, hold on. Shout out the Coolie gang. Woo! 20K. We at 20K, gang. Y'all got me to 20K. Not me got me there. I helped do it, but I couldn't do it without y'all, man. I love the support, love everything, all the good comments, everything like that. Man, it make me pick the camera up and keep doing this, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. So the next goal we going for, we on the way to 50, y'all. Let's get to that 50, and at the 50, we need that Coolie gang to get us to the 100K plaque, man. We need that plaque, gang. So, man, y'all already know what to do with this video, man. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, make sure that notification bell on so every time I drop a video, y'all know. All right, y'all, man, we at the spot. We at my man's Marco spot where Cuzzo at. Just got mounted up, man. Y'all saw that little clip. Yes, sir. It's right. It's right. You feel me? But we about to go spin up in here and see what's really to it, man. Hope y'all liking the way the content dropping. Just trying to play around with a bunch of different things. But, man, let's go. You feel? Yo. Woo, you got the Nitrous shirt on. He ready to act bad, huh? He trying to act
bad. You look familiar, man. Then you come to my shop in Motor City on North Avenue in Stone Park.
I don't know, you might be the wrong person, Jack. You ain't. It's cool. Was Coolie there?
Hey, man, I look like a lot of people all the time.
No, but they came through there doing some filming. This was about 4 or 5 years ago.
Oh yeah, no, that wasn't me. I probably only been doing this for about maybe a year or something like that, on and off, but not trying to take off with it, man. So you got a phone? You got a phone?
Yeah, I got a phone.
You got to subscribe to the channel right now, then, man. You got to subscribe. You gonna be on there, man. You got to subscribe to the channel, man. That's what you do. Put forward on my YouTube channel, man. See,
one of y'all put them in there.
Yeah. Bam. Get that young subscription.
Yeah,
you feel
man.
me?
Do the damn food.
Make sure you subscribe to your boy.
That's what's up.
You know what I'm saying? Gotta show that love, you feel me? That Shot-Town love, you feel me?
Got to do it, man. Yeah.
Bam, right there. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then we gonna hit that notification on so you green, you
That's
feel
right.
me?
That's
Bam.
what's up.
My man's love on that, man. We needed that. That's what I'm talking about, man.
What's up?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready? Let's get to it then, y'all. Let's go check out this beast. You know they're ready to see that foodie footage too, man. You know what time it is. This is how you do it. See, man, I was just talking to everybody about it, this same statement in the last one that we had just did that charge about how y'all put tire shine and everything like that on there. I gotta have mine juicy, you feel me? It's only right. It just teed that thing dead up. Ooh-wee. On them winos. Acting bad, huh? Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Get up in here too. Okay. Y'all know he real Koolie gang, you feel me? When you got that towel on there, you got that towel on that seat, you real Koolie gang, man, cause that's the only way I'm riding with that towel. But y'all see, man, bloody guts up in here, black and red going on, you know what I'm saying? It's go crazy time, man. You know what it is, man. This summer we lit. Y'all see you got the beats up in here. You know, part of that blood gang. That's how we do it. Are you gonna move that thing? Go ahead and fire that thing on up for him. We gotta get all the little add-ons you done did to this thing. I see the light thing on there. You gotta light this thing up red or something there, blood. It's time to light that thing up red.
That's what they light up.
Oh, that's the color you got it on? Yes, sir. Make sure it matches them calipers and everything. That's the only way. See that thing light up red? We gonna have them light that thing up red in a minute for y'all in a second too, y'all. We gonna see what it do. Man, you gonna have him move this car in the middle of the alley in a second, y'all, so we can get the full walk around and everything. And he can tell us everything that's done to it and stuff like that, man. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna keep it rolling, man. It's just right now it's hectic in this alley. It's going crazy. We're still trying to do what we got to do to bring y'all this content, man. So y'all already know, man. Stay tuned. Fully footage is on deck today. You feel me? He gon' throw some smoke. You feel me? It's happening. It's happening. So just stay tuned, y'all. Bring it up. Ooh, them bees turned this thing crazy up. We ain't even get the back of this joint too. Oh, go ahead and bag that thing on up for us. Yes, sir. Oh, you know what time it is, man. You on the camera now. It's on and popping, man. Go ahead, shout out your demonstration, and let us know what's all done to the whip, man. Let us know what's going on, man. I'm gonna let you go ahead and do the talking this time, man.
They gonna see we got a trick for them this summer.
Let them know what's going on.
Instagram, YoungHeavy_B. It ain't nothing but Nitrous 392, 24-inch VELLANOs. Nothing major.
Y'all heard them, man. Y'all heard the man. Nitrous B, man. They don't call them Nitrous B for no reason, man. You feel me? Got them 4 lanos on that thing, man. The guts, yes, sir. You know what time it is. Black and red guts up in this thing, man. It's the only way it need to be. It's the only way it need to be. You feel me? Red brakes on that. We see you done tinted the demonstration now, too.
Oh, yeah.
Done tinted the demonstration. Added the wick on this thing, too, huh? Yes, sir. This tinted? Yeah, you tinted? I gotta hit him with one, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You know? Yes, sir. You see what's going on, man. Hey, if you got a charger already, like I said in the last statement, you got a charger and your shit say charger right here, snatch it off now. Stop capping, snatch it off, man. But y'all see, done up like that too. You know what time it is, man. Yes, sir. Tinted up. Okay. We see you on the Lano. I know you had some plans for it too. You still ain't done, you was telling me.
Oh yeah, we got a trick for them.
Oh, what's up, man? You gonna give him a little sauce or you gonna keep it quiet on the hush? What's going on, man?
We're gonna keep it quiet.
Okay. He grudge racing everything like that.
The sponsors want me talking like that.
Not yet. They don't want to let them know, but man, this thing about to get big upgrades going to it, man. I'ma honestly have to say, it's probably gonna be the fastest scat pack in Chicago. Yeah.
It will be.
Hold on. Yeah. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be the fastest scat pack in Chicago. If you feel some type of way, inbox him, inbox me on the gram, and let's make it happen. You feel me? That's just what we gonna say. But man, we gonna go ahead and spin around and get some foolies. But matter of fact, you might as well pop the hood now and show them a little something. Oh, no pop. See? He ain't showing y'all no goodies, y'all. He ain't showing no goodies right now. But just know, March 7th, this thing gonna be out there acting bad in Dallas too, man. So y'all got a scat and y'all wanna line down. I told y'all we coming down there heavy, man. Just imagine, Hawkeye, what you name your joint? You got a name for that thing yet? Not yet?
Somebody give him a name.
Okay, yeah, okay. We gonna have, just imagine, Hawkeye, this demonstration down there, the other silver demonstration, all on the expressway, including everybody else that's trailing. Oh my God, it's about to be on and popping, man. March 7th, y'all ain't there, just stay tuned for the footage there. You feel me? Cause y'all gonna miss the lituation, man. But man, what's up, man? We gotta find a low for you to act bad, man. They want that Foolie footage, man.
You want the Foolie footage?
They want the Foolie footage, man.
Let me get on something.
Is you gonna get Foolie for Koolie and the Koolie gang or what, man?
Yeah, let me get on something.
Ooh-wee. Let's get to it. Oh, we right here with the owner of the shop. You feel me?
Where's he at? Where's he at? I got something for his
I thought
ass.
he was right there. My man's, man. Yes, sir. He done mounted cuz up, got him right, man. Let them know where they can come get whatever they need done and what all do.
The Chrome Depot, baby.
Let them know
Chrome
what's going
Depot.
on, man. Where to find
That
you
other
at.
company that sounds like me, they copy my name.
Let it be known.
You know what I mean?
Talk that talk.
1626 South Cicero. We specialize in rim and tire financing, 90 days same as cash. If you need the tire, 20, 24, 28, 30, we got them out in stock. If we need to order it, it'll be here right away. But if 9 times out of 10 we have it. Come check out my inventory.
Yes, sir, man. Love on getting cuz together, man.
Thank you, man.
Okay. Going crazy early. We gotta get him in another spin out though, man. This alley ain't where it's at, man. We about to head to the Foolie location, y'all. Should get y'all a little. You know what I'm talking about? Don't act like we don't get jazzy too. You know what I'm talking about? Don't act like we don't do that too. You feel me?
I'm with floor in the back seat.
That's what this thing do. You either go in front or back. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir, man. But man, y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about the Charger, man. I just did one the other day, you know what I'm saying, on a different style of Lano. He got different work done to it. Pull on out here, man. These people gonna let me in or out. You know what I'm talking about? But man, I need y'all to let me know how y'all like the Charger, you feel me? They coming hard on these Lanos, man. It's Lano season, man. It's Lano season. Let's see if we get them going. Yes, sir. I know y'all loving this, man. This a different type of angle and everything, but man, hey, I ain't gonna lie, he out here chopping right now. That thing chopping, y'all. Ooh, we about to head to the loc though, man. So, Foolie footage coming. Hey, that brush wheel looks so crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But y'all know where we at. That's what I'm talking about. He just had that bitch dancing. Yes, sir. But y'all know one thing, man. I need Foolie footage, man. Let me see what you got. Go ahead and light that shit up, boy. Whoa! Y'all know the lingo. Tattooing the pavement around here, man. Y'all see what's going on? We tattooing the pavement around here. Yes, sir. I keep telling y'all, boy, Foolie footage gonna keep coming, man. We out here freezing. It's cold. It's 20 degrees. And I'm still out here grinding with my mans, you know what I'm saying? Cuz, shout your stuff back out one more time, man. Let me know where to find you at.
Follow me on Instagram, YoungKV_B.
Yes, sir. YouTube too, man. Don't stop being shy. That YouTube channel coming, man. Shout that out too.
Go ahead and follow me. YouTube, Nitrous B.
Yes, sir. Love, bro. I'm getting this footage, man. I know you gotta get back to doing what you gotta do, man. One more time for the one time, man. You know this how we come. Woo! That's how we come in 2020, man. Koolie gang. Skirt.